In the morning, wake up to the sound of breaking up in the walls of our home. I think about a world I haven't seen. I'm thinking money, yeah, money, it'll make you mean. As a boy, I laughed a lot. As a man,